Hi, today we have a new challenge. How green is my valley? And what we have to do is create a function that takes a list of integers, and what we have to do is to sort it in such a way that there are two wings. The left wing with numbers decreasing and the right wing with numbers increasing. How to go about this? Well, here we are. First of all, I want to create a sorted array. So array is sorted array. Let's print it out. And as you can see, the numbers are increasing now. Let's place a comment as well. Create a sorted array. Then I want to create an empty list. Create empty list. Let's call it result. And what I want to do now is to iterate through the list and create the wings. So for integer and then in the range of the length of the array. Well, let's rename this to index. So let's print the index and the values. There we go. Yeah, so here we have the indices and the accompanying values. What I want to do is to append the even indices to the end of the list and to insert the uneven indices to the start of the list. Of course, with conditions. So if the index is even, modulo 2 is equal to 0, then we append the value. And if the index is uneven, we insert it. Insert takes two arguments. First, the index where you want to insert it, well, at the start, as I said. And the second argument will be the value that you want to insert. Well, let's test it out. Return result. There we have it. Exactly how it should be. And let's try an uneven list. And have a look if it works out as well. 10, 8, 14. Well, that should be the other way around. So we should make a differentiation between even and odd lists in terms of length. So if the length of the array is even, modulo 2 is equal to 0, then we should go for this route. This worked out. But if the length of the list is uneven, like this, then we should handle the approach the other way around. So insert the value at the start. And if the index is uneven, we append it. There we go. Well, let's take this and test it out. And there we go. I hope this video has been useful. I hope to see you in another video. Ciao.